In this tutorial, I'll be learning how to make a detachable yoke. Here I already have a basic bodice drafted out. I'm going ahead to take my neckline measurement 3 inches by 3 inches. I'm going ahead to connect both points together using my curve rule, as you see me do right here. Next, I'll be going down by 2.5 inches from the armhole line and make a mark right there. Then I'll be moving on to the neckline area where I already have my neck depth, and from that point I'm going to go down by 3 inches and make a mark. Next thing is to connect both points together with the aid of my curve. You can actually use a longer curve. There's a better curve that can just go all the way once, but I don't have that here. Right here I'm finishing off using freehand. You can also do safe, especially if you don't have a curve rule. So what I'm doing right here is using my marker pen to trace out what I've marked out before, so as to make it visible so that you can see it clearly. So I'm only following the lines that I've already made before for clear visibility. Move ahead to start cutting out so we can see the result. Now I'm moving ahead to cut the back yoke. The difference here is the zipper allowance, and also the neck depth will be shorter. Right here I'll be marking 1 inch as the neck depth of the back. Note that the neck width for the front and the back is the same. I'm moving ahead to cut the neckline for the back yoke. Since the pattern paper is on fold, I have to slash open. I'm going ahead to place a notch here and also down. This will serve as a guide to ensure you do not exceed the zipper allowance when fixing in your zipper. After transferring the pattern onto the fabric, you can either turn it in using a lining or with a bias tape. Go ahead and sew around these edges down, and also the neckline. You can either turn the neckline separately. You first turn the front then the back, or join both the back and the front bodies together then turn. This is a sample of the back that I drafted, but just in case you don't want this, you can try out this other one. So right here I'm trying to do another back. This is a sample of it here on the screen. This is a bit similar to that of the front. Just go ahead and use your ruler to make a curve and extend it forward to get to the neckline region. Please take note that from the neckline depth I came down by 1 inch. Therefore, this curve is going to stop at that 1 inch point. I'm going ahead to use my marker pen to trace it out to make it more visible. Once that is done, I'm going to connect it into the zipper allowance just like so. Then I'm going ahead to start cutting right from that point. If you found this video useful, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I'll be posting more pattern drafting tutorials on this channel. Feel free to share to your family and friends that are soulmates. Kindly type in any questions you may have in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. Now you choose the back that you prefer, the one on the left hand side or the one on the right hand side. We have come to the end of this tutorial. I'm sure by now you should be able to cut a detachable yoke. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.